Hi everyone, my name is Ijo James. Today we will be seeing how to make a QR code scanner in Python using Opencv. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, comment it below and I will be right back to you. So let's start our video. First of all, we will be importing the required packages. First of all, we need to import cv2, then we'll be importing numpy as np, and let's import pycbar dot pycbar import decode, and this is the package we will be using to decode QR code and barcodes. And now let's create a variable called cap, and we need to give the video source, so we'll be giving it as cv2 dot video capture, and I will be giving the id as 0. And now let's give an while loop, while true success image is equal to cap dot read. And now let's give an for loop here. For barcode in decode, we'll be giving it as image, and we need to create a variable to store the decoded data. I will name it as data is equal to barcode dot data dot decode, and we need to specify the language in which it should be decoded, and I'm giving it as UTF-8. And now let's print this data, and okay, and now we need to give one command, cv2 dot I'm show, and here we need to enter the window name. I'll be ending it, and I'll be giving it as QR code scanner, and we need to give that image variable here, and we can also give the wait key as cv2 dot wait key is equal to 1. Let me run this program. You can see it's decoding, and I also have one more. And now we'll be adding a bounding bots to QR code, and so let me stop this. And for that, and for the bounding bots, we'll be adding a polygon, and I'm using polygon because if I use rectangle or something, another is something like, if I rotate my screen, it will not be so, the bounding bots will not be so accurate. It will only show the approximate boundary. So let me add the polygon. So for that, I will create a variable called point is equal to np dot array barcode. So I don't need this. Barcode dot polygon, and I will give it as np dot int 32, and now I will be adding it as point is equal to point dot shape, point dot reshape, and it as -1, 1 and 2, and I'll be giving as cv2 dot polylines, and I'll be giving it as image slash point slash true, and I'll give the, and now we'll be giving the color of the bounding boards, so I'll give it as 255 slash, and I'll get a 00, not 0, I'll give it as 200, and so now we'll be, and now let's run this program. Let's run this program, and if I show my camera, yeah, it's decoding, it's pretty much accurate, and if I rotate also it's decoding, and I have also another one, yeah, it's still decoding. And now we'll be adding the, and now we'll be printing the test above this QR code. So for that, let's stop this program, and let me activate this, yeah, and now we'll be giving another point, is point 2, and only giving it as barcode, and here we'll be using a rectangle, and so the test will not rotate, and is equal to cv2 dot put text, and is equal to image slash, not right now, image slash data slash not slash comma point and 2 and 0.20 slash point 2 1 and comma and comma, and I'll do as cv2 dot font and Hershey complex, it's enough, and we need to give the font size and color, and the color as 255 and 255, yep, and I'll give the thickness as 2, so thickness as 2, and we can also add one more thing, and I'm giving it as a if cv2 dot weight key, so do 10, so it's 5, so you do weight q cap dot release, and cv2 dot destroy all windows, and let me running this program. If I click on Q, it will stop the program, and now let's run this program. Oh, sorry, yeah, it is giving me some errors because I haven't deactivated my face cam, so let's deactivate it, and let me run this program now. Yeah, so you can see it's printing the data on screen, and if I you can see it's pretty much accurate. Okay, so that's all, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, please comment it below. If I click on this Q button, it will end the program. So thank you.